Hello there YouTube, it's P here from P's Unboxing and Reviews. Just looking at my swing arm, I've recently purchased a lexmoto R125 and this is the state of the swing arm. So you can see the swing arm assembly is off. Good bike, starts fine, got a new exhaust coming for it, an end can, lovely end can for it. So basically all I need, the swing arm is fine. This bit that connects to the bike, this is just, I don't know what this bit's for, but anyway, it's all rusted off. So I need to get two plates and weld them together and refix that, and then clean it all up on a Y wheel and give it all a good clean. I just thought I'd make this little video to show this is the progress in my new bike. I did have a Yamaha YBR 125, but I had to get rid of that because of the fact that I had electrical issues that I couldn't figure out what the problem was. So got this and just need to just tidy it up. So I'm in the process of giving it a good clean, but my drill's just died. So you can see it there, that's just showing you off the bike. It all fully works. Got to get the right handlebar fixed because that was accidentally broken. That's been broken by somebody. So the major parts is just sort out this swing arm and sort out the right handlebar, fix the exhaust, go around and rust treat everything with special rust treatment spray, and that's really it, and then we'll be on the road. Thank you for watching. This is just showing you the progress of my motorcycle.